there, Jessica here, your Facebook advertising expert. Now, if you're familiar with running Facebook ads or digital marketing and you're just dipping your toe in, you would have come across the concept of warm, cold, and hot audiences. Now, I'm wondering whether the concept of these types of audiences have ever been explained to you in this way. You see, the other day I was eating a Cornetto ice cream. Now, for those who don't know, a Cornetto ice cream is a delicious frozen ice cream dessert. And as I was eating it, being the little tech nerd that I am, I was inspired by a Cornetto ice cream in relation to cold, hot, and warm audiences. So if you're still with me, bear with me, I do have a point, and then you'll understand the hot, cold, and warm audiences like a pro. You see, on a Cornetto ice cream, you've got the biggest part at the top of the cone. It's full of ice cream, it's got a few nuts, it's got chocolate, and if you bite into it straight away without being prepared, you might get a bit of a brain freeze. But as you continue through the ice cream, it's delicious, and you continue down the cone. Now, the middle of the cone is pure ice cream and crunchy waffle goodness. I'm gonna have to have a Cornetto ice cream after this video, actually. And then as you finish the middle, which you're really enjoying the ice cream now, once you finish the middle, the chocolate solid cone tip is the whole reason why you bought the Cornetto, just so you could have this solid chocolate, tiny little bit at the bottom. It's heaven on earth, and it reminds me when I eat this of my childhood and having summer holidays on the beach at Bribie Island. So when you think about a Cornetto ice cream, think about a cold audience. A cold audience, they've never seen your Facebook ads or know anything about your business before. Seeing your ads for the first time is what they're doing. Sorry, they're seeing your ads for the first time, and you'll often come across a couple of nuts in your cold audience because they're going to be leaving snarly comments, and they'll try to be smart Alex and stuff like that. When you're advertising on Facebook, that's just the reality of the game. You're going to get a couple of nuts in your cold audience. But what you want to do next is filter out your cold audience and get to the middle of the cone where the pure ice cream is. Now, the middle of the cone are people who have seen something about your business, are interested, and they start following it and engaging, and you're warming them up essentially because they like what you are showing up and providing them. So they keep coming back for more. Now, your hot audience are the people who are ready to buy. They've seen lots of stuff. They like what you're putting out there, and they're ready to buy. So your hot audience are those are the ones that you really do the hard sell to. Those are the ones you need to leave them with a little chocolate tip and leave them wanting more so that they can get off Facebook and talking to you. You see, there is a strategy behind what you show cold audiences, what you show warm audiences, and what you show your hot audiences. And once you get it right, that's when your business will grow and your ads will start working for you. So in February, I'll be launching an online workshop all about how to target your ideal clients using interest targeting. So this is your cold audience, the top of your ice cream. How do we make sure that we show your ads to those people most likely to move down the ice cream cone to that middle bit? And I go through my 5-step process in researching what interests and demographics to really ensure you're not wasting your money down the toilet and targeting your ads to those right people. But to help you get started, I have a free questionnaire. It's to help you identify who your ideal client is so that you can really target them with your ads on Facebook. In fact, it's step 1 of the 5-stage process that I teach about in my workshops. So go ahead and download that freebie, and I will see you all next week.